It's the New Zealand USD chart and H4 also. On the 4-hour chart time frame, we are making here on channel like this, and sharply it is downtrend market. From this downtrend market, we are consider only sell position. We are finding only sell position. So now we are drawing a horizontal support and resistance area. It is a good resistance area. It is a horizontal support area. We are making big one. In it is 200 EMA act as dynamic resistance for this market. Now we can expect to go market come to here. When market come here, it is our sell area, sell zone or sell area. From this sell area, we are waiting for this area. When market go to here and making some bearish candle like this, bearish candle like this, and in these cases we are making a sell position by the target of this area. So it is our selling area. So it is our selling area, sell point, and we are waiting for this. Market always give us opportunity, must we need to patience to take a good position.